The wide array of charging options in your Mazda makes the process convenient and efficient. With the MYMAZDA app, you have a perfect overview of the charging process of your vehicle. You can check the status remotely by tapping the status icon. Then tap the arrow for detailed information or just scroll down. Now you can see the battery status. It shows you the charging status, the range with the current state of the charge, and the charging time. If you want to take advantage of low energy costs during the night, you can set up a charging schedule. To do so, navigate to the EV settings in your Mazda Connect system. Then choose Charging Schedule. Now enter the desired start and end time. You can set the hour and minutes separately. In the Repeat menu, select the days you want the charging to be active. Set the charge limit to range or battery level. Depending on your model, the level might only be available in percentage. To continue, select your desired level or distance. This setting is useful if you want to charge your car at home, for example up to 40%, and fully charge it later at work. Press Save, and your schedule is ready. When you plug in your Mazda, charging will not start automatically if a charging schedule is set up. You can then start the charging process in your car by selecting Charge when connected. Or you can do it remotely through the app. Go to the home screen and long press Start. You will get a notification that your request has been sent successfully. If you don't want your battery to get fully charged, you can set a charge limit. Navigate to the EV settings, then select AC or DC charging limit. The charging level can be set in increments of 10% or range in kilometers or miles, depending on your model. The adjustments made under Limit for AC charging do not influence the settings in your charging schedule. There are many options to charge your Mazda. The choice is yours.